On the 25th, Arvind Kejriwal is to hold a rally at Varanasi at the Benia Park, and this is a park that can hold about 50,000 people. But when the Aam Aadmi Party applied for permission, they said there would be about 10,000 people who would be a part of that rally at Benia Park on the 25th, prompting both the Congress and the BJP to ask that question: has Arvind Kejriwal already thrown in the towel at Varanasi? Let's listen in to the District Magistrate of Varanasi before we move on in this bulletin.
हम लोगों ने अब उस रैली के लिए 25 मार्च की अनुमति अब दी है। 23 मार्च को पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में एमएलसी इलेक्शंस हैं, जिसकी वजह से इसको 2 दिन आगे बढ़ाया गया है। परमिशन अभी हमारे पास इनकी एप्लीकेशन अभी रिसीव हुई है 1 घंटे पहले। फोन से बात हो गई है, उनको बता दिया गया है कि 25 को अब ये रैली हो पाएगी और 25 तारीख की अभी अनुमति दी जाएगी।
ये सब केजरीवाल जी का नाटक है। जो नाटक उन्होंने दिल्ली के अंदर किया है वही पूरे देश में करना चाहते हैं। मैं समझता हूं कि बनारस के अंदर उनका नाटक कहीं कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, और वो काफ़ी बड़ा मैदान है। उस मैदान में 10,000 की रैली करने का मतलब है कि पहले ही से फ्रॉडगिरी की बात कर रहे हैं, और इतना दिल्ली की जनता को बेवकूफ़ बनाया। बनारस की जनता बेवकूफ़ बनने वाली नहीं है। ये महादेव की नगरी है, यहाँ लोग बेवकूफ़ नहीं बनेंगे और उनको जवाब देंगे, और ठीक से जवाब देंगे।
So the Congress and the BJP allege, they insist that Arvind Kejriwal has already thrown in the towel at Banaras. What's the point of having a rally with 10,000 people in a park that can take at least 50,000 people, is what the Congress candidate is saying. Let's quickly take you to Varanasi and listen in to Headlines Today's. Let me quickly bring in Headlines Today's Rohit Singh for more on the story. Rohit, you've been on ground zero for a fortnight plus now. What's the buzz? What's the buzz when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, Gaurav, many questions are being raised over this rally that is going to take place on 25th of March, because Sanjay Singh has said, of Aam Aadmi Party, has said that this will be the biggest and the historic rally in the history of Varanasi. So question is, with only 10,000 people, can you expect the biggest and the historical rally? Question number 2 is that with only 10,000 people on the ground, can a referendum take place whether Arvind Kejriwal should or should not contest against Narendra Modi? So these are very basic questions that are being raised, and also questions are being raised that has Arvind Kejriwal conceded defeat at the very beginning, because because people are saying that he has taken this decision in a hurry to take on Narendra Modi, because this ground can accommodate at least 50,000 people, but the permission has been sought for only 10,000 people. So there are many questions being raised, and that is why we see the Congress and the BJP lashing out at Arvind Kejriwal at Aam Aadmi Party, clearly maintaining that this rally is nothing but a sham.
Okay, now you've also spoken to Sanjay Singh, you've been speaking to other leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. How are they reacting to this? Only 10,000 people. Why haven't they sought permission for a bigger rally?
Well, Gaurav, that's the basic question, that why has Sanjay Singh applied for this booking for this rally at this ground for only 10,000 people? Because I was talking to Sanjay Singh just 1 hour back. I asked him, do you have an idea that how much people can be accommodated in this ground? He said yes, 50,000 is the number that he knows. So I asked him why 10,000. He says that no, many people can join in later. But the basic question is that only 10,000 people are expected in this rally. This is Aam Aadmi Party's rally that is going to take place, which the Aam Aadmi Party says could be the biggest rally in the history of Varanasi. So many questions are being raised, and that is why, as I've said you, many questions that BJP and the Congress are lashing out at Arvind Kejriwal, saying that he has nothing to do, he is not serious in taking Narendra Modi, and this is nothing but a publicity stunt.
Has he been pushed? Has he been pushed into this? And now Arvind Kejriwal, is he feeling cornered? Remains the question. Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.